Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing a 4-pack of AirTags, and these are custom with emojis engraved on them. So, just got this in the mail. Let's see how these AirTags look like, especially with the emojis. I'm excited for that. So far I've been getting more boring blank AirTags, but this time, new year, new me, gonna be more fun. And just paperwork. Boom. Gonna be more fun with these emojis on my AirTags. These are great to see where all my stuff is located at. So I have some in my car, my backpack, my luggage, water bottle, all that good stuff. All right, so it's packaged like this. And let me pop some out, show you the ones I got. So, this is what it looks like. Cool. Sunglasses, shades, happy emoji. Summer vibes. Ooh, look at this one. Cat emoji. That's a cool one. Just got a new cat. Fist bump emoji, one of the most common ones I use. And peace sign emoji. Cool. So high quality, like the customization options, and I will drop a link in the description below on where I got these from. All right, everyone. See you in the next unboxing. Later.